most interesting Shopify stores right now aren't purely product stores or purely service businesses. They're somewhere in between. A skincare brand that sells products and offers consultations. A fitness equipment company that sells gear and runs coaching sessions. A kitchen supply store that sells knives and teaches knife skills. The combination of a physical product and a service experience around it creates something that neither alone can be, a customer relationship that compounds over time. Hey, I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today we're getting into the setup that makes this model actually work on Shopify. The term Phygital gets used loosely, so it's worth being precise about what we mean here. A Phygital business model on Shopify is one in which physical products and service experiences are sold together as part of a unified customer journey, rather than as separate offerings that happen to share a storefront. The distinction matters because the value proposition of the combined model is fundamentally different from selling each thing independently. A customer who buys your product and then books a service with you has a deeper relationship with your brand than one who only ever transacts on a product page. That depth drives repeat purchases, higher lifetime value, and word of mouth that a purely transactional product store struggles to generate. The product brings them in, the service keeps them. Most stores fail with this model due to structural fragmentation, not poor strategy. When products are managed in Shopify and services in a standalone tool, data and payments never sync. The resulting customer experience is disjointed. Buyers must navigate separate checkout and booking flows that feel unrelated. This disconnect erodes the brand relationship the model is intended to build. Solving this requires better infrastructure that unifies these systems into a single, cohesive experience. The Phygital model requires 4 components working as one connected system. First, a unified catalog ensures that products and services live in the same storefront, enabling a single cart and checkout. Second, real-time availability must be visible before payment to prevent double bookings and reduce cart abandonment. Third, unified customer data is essential. Every purchase and booking should feed into one profile to drive personalized marketing and retention. Fourth, payment flexibility is key. The system must handle deposits or installments for services alongside standard product sales, without forcing customers into separate checkout experiences. 3 quick examples of what this looks like across different business types. A skincare brand sells a product line and offers virtual skin consultations. The consultation can be booked directly on the product page for the relevant product. The customer purchases the serum and books the consultation in a single checkout. The consultation drives a follow-up product recommendation that converts at a significantly higher rate than a standard email, because it comes from a personalized service interaction. A fitness equipment company sells home gym kits and runs monthly coaching sessions. The equipment purchase triggers an automatic invitation to book an onboarding session. That session turns a one-time equipment buyer into a monthly coaching subscriber. And a craft supply retailer sells materials kits and runs weekly project workshops. Every kit purchase includes a workshop credit. The credit drives attendance. Attendance drives supply repurchases, and the cycle compounds without any additional acquisition cost. 3 different categories, 3 different price points, same underlying logic. This is where Booked comes in, because the infrastructure gap we described earlier, products in one system, bookings in another, customer data split across both, is exactly what it's built to close. Booked sits natively in your Shopify admin, so your service bookings live in the same place as your product orders. A customer can book a service and buy a product in a single checkout without being redirected. Availability updates in real time, so what the customer sees reflects what's actually open. Every booking feeds into your Shopify customer profile alongside their purchase history, giving you a complete picture of each relationship from a single dashboard. Automated reminders go out before each appointment, so no-show rates drop without any manual follow-up from your team. And if you run group sessions alongside private bookings, Booked handles both models with the same interface, including capacity limits and automatic wait lists when sessions fill. The product commerce infrastructure you already have in Shopify plus Booked running the service layer on top of it, that's the complete Phygital setup. The Phygital model works because it builds the kind of customer relationship that a product store alone can't create. The product brings someone in, the service deepens the relationship. And the data that sits underneath both is what lets you keep that relationship growing over time. If you want to see how Booked fits into your specific Shopify setup, the link is in the description. Hope you got something useful out of this one. Head over to the Shop Ninjas website for more resources on building and growing your e-commerce business the right way. Subscribe and hit the bell. We're back every week. See you in the next one.